And we are back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this letter logo in Adobe Illustrator. Let us start under View, make sure the Smart Guides and only Snap to Point are activated. We will use the Rectangle tool. We've got a black fill and no stroke color for now. Drag it over here, go to your Properties menu, if you can't find that go to Window and open it with a click on Property. I'll set the width to 20 pixels. The height doesn't really matter here. Oh, let me delete that, it was my mistake. Press V for the selection tool, drag a copy out of it. We'll keep it there in case we might need it. Let me change the color to this turquoise. I'll drag a copy out of it again, holding Alt with the selection tool. And I'll align with the first one. Then right click, transform in shear, activate preview. Let me go down to -25, that should work. I'll choose that, then hold Ctrl and connect the anchor points, just like that. Select it both, then use the Shape Builder tool and connect the shapes. Make sure it's selected and we will offset a path under Object Path, Offset Path. Activate Preview, 5 pixels is a good value. It has 5 pixels to the left and to the right. That works well with the 20 pixel width of the rectangle that we've created initially. Alright, let us drag this one over here. I'll change the color later on anyway, but I want to place it right on top of the line over here. Let me press Ctrl Y and I zoom in and you can see it wasn't placed correctly. It's always best to drag it holding Ctrl onto the path. That way you can be sure that it's placed correctly in Illustrator. Press Ctrl Y again to return to the normal view. I'll change the color to an orange and I sized it down. And now right click, arrange, send to back. Then Object Path, offset the path again with 5 pixels. Oh, but you can see it's a little bit too tall. So let me size it down and offset the path again. Let me make that black. No, it was still too tall over here. Just select it and then size it down, but make sure that you size the offset path down. So select that. That's fine. It's the first half of the logo. Just select it all, hold Alt and then drag a copy out of it, rotate it holding Shift, and we will change the color to red over here. Let me zoom in, I'll hold Alt and use the mouse wheel for that. Then we press Ctrl Y and we can see I haven't placed it correctly. Let me select it, put it to the right. I'll hold Ctrl and then I'll put it on the path again. Alright. You can see we now have 2 times 5 pixels of a black shape over here. So we'll need to make it differently here. Select it again. Hold Ctrl. Connect it to the path, and from here on we know that we have 5 pixels to the left to cover. We'll simply use the arrow keys and press 5 times to the left. You can still resize it, no problem with that. Maybe you wanna make it a bit tighter or wider, whatever you want. Then right click and group it, and this is how you can create this letter logo in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.